Well, howdy you all. Well, today we're just going to do one of my very favourite things. We've got a happy mail and unboxing, which I really love to do, and I haven't made a video for a little while. It's been a minute. I'm sorry, I just fell ill with the crud and just felt terribly off and ended up going to the doctor and getting some antibiotics, so been pretty chesty and pretty not feeling too well. But anyways, we're just going to move along to our unboxing today, and I've got to get to work and do some shorts too. But I've got this new phone. I've had terrible trouble with my old phone. The battery doesn't last very long, and the screen is not as bright as it should be. So we'll just open up and I'll show you what I've actually got here. And I'd love to have been able to buy or able to afford a brand new phone, but just cannot do it at this stage. So we've just gone with a refurbished model. And of course, I'm sure I could have bought a mid-range phone, brand new, no problem. But I need the flagships just to have the extra features and the extra RAM and the extra memory and better cameras and better everything to make my YouTube videos, and because I'm a YouTuber. So I've gone with a refurbished model, one a couple of years old, and I think that's fine. And I've gone with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. I'd love and it folds out beautifully like that. I would love the 5, which is the current model, but this one will do, and it's in pristine condition. So we'll just turn things on and see what we've got. Beautiful, everything's booting up. And we're going to have to do a fair bit of setup, but I believe that Samsung does allow you just to transfer everything pretty seamlessly, so we're going to find out. So just opening it up, and oh yeah, we've got a beautiful big display here. So that'll be just perfect for when I'm editing, because often I just prefer to edit on my phone. You can just sort of do things in hand and it's just a lot easier. And of course these folds have been all the rage. My old phone, I'll show you what I've got. And I'll sell it on Craigslist or Gumtree or Marketplace or something like that. My old phone is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which you can see the screen's pretty poor, and actually if I don't leave it on the charger overnight, it will be completely run down, the battery. So the battery's pretty poor and the screen's sort of getting pretty dim, and there's a bit of screen burn in at the screen that you can sort of see some of your or some of my previous chat messages and all of that. So it was time to get a new phone, so we'll just see how we go with that. So I should be able to open here on settings just to transfer, I hope. We'll just see what we do here. And I sort of went out here unprepared, and I was going to film in the gardens, and I've got that all barricaded off at the moment. There's been a find of asbestos in the gardens, in the play material, so they've got it all barricaded off until they sort of, I guess, clean it up. So yeah, let's hope they can get onto that fairly soon, because they are certainly a beautiful little set of gardens. Okay, we've just found transfer your data, send data and receive data. So I'll just close this to get onto a small screen. Probably a bit easier just to work with. And I do like how it fits in the hand a lot easier than the Note that I had, so that's a good thing. a larger screen when it's open. Of course it's a smaller screen when it's closed, but it certainly fits in the hand a lot easier, so that'll be easier for me just to work with. Finish setting up your Galaxy, just a few more steps. So Galaxy or says scan this QR code with your old phone or tablet. That's interesting. I do have some covers and protectors and screen protections and everything coming for this fairly soon, so that's a good thing. So I'll just see if I can open QR reader or what have you, and we'll see what we can do. So open this again. Okay, it says open URL. Keep both devices on and close to each other until setup is complete. Okay. So it says continue setting up your new device. Turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, it's connecting and it says getting your phone ready. Wow. Now that'll be interesting. And it'll certainly be interesting just to see how long it takes. I do like the form factor of this. It's quite brilliant, really. So we'll just let this work, and it says continue setup on your new device. So it'll be interesting just to see how long it takes. So I'll come back once that's done, and I'll tell you, give you an approximate how long it took. Okay, so it's just brought up a dialogue on the screen here. Continue. So next, onto that. Get started with Smart Switch. Next. Allow. Transfer your data. Wireless. Connecting to transfer your data. So we'll just wait until that sort of finishes a bit more or gets through another hurdle, I guess, and then we'll be back. You have seen this phone and it certainly does look lovely. Anyways, if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. If you are subscribed to my channel, please consider becoming a member of my channel. We do have this wonderful scheme going on at the moment where YouTube gifts 10 free memberships every month. So a big thank you to my free members. And of course a huge thank you to my paid members. We have Troy of TA Florida. Thank you so much, Troy. Joe Hupp, thank you so much, Joe. Gail of Gail Southern Living and her second channel, Broken Hearts Ministry. Thank you so much, Gail. And Jamie's Country Living. Thank you so much, Jamie. It's wonderful to have you all on board, and I am considering also gifting a couple myself. When YouTube's kind, I'll gift a couple of free memberships from this channel also. So please do check that out. And of course, I do have merch. This hoodie or this sweater that I have on is an example of what's on my merchandise store. And links down below in the description, and there's also a shopping tab on my channel. Please do share this video out. I really need YouTube to go viral and just help me to make a better life for myself, and that I can take the next step with my channel. So some viral videos would really help out there. Anyways, time to call it now. So take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye.